So this is what I did to anchor this bed onto the ground. This I did the stake. I did not want to make them out of wood either. So what I did is I went to Home Depot also, and this it's already bent in this shape. I didn't do any bending in this one. It just comes like that. And so I just anchored that into the ground. I put a screw to hold it in place. Now to attach these pieces here, they come in 8 feet, which happens to be nice because these beds are 16 feet. And so what I did to keep these two things together here, I put a strap right here to hold these two pieces in. There's 6 stakes per bed, and I did that in all of these other beds right here. So now onto the what I did here is I put this shut off valve here so that we can still use this hose if we want to wash the vehicles, which I do. And so, but if some work needs to get done, we don't need to shut off this valve, but we'll just shut that one down, and then basically all the control is going to have a box here that we're still working on. And this is going to take I ran it right in between here. There's 4 feet in between beds. So this is kind of a walkway that we have set up just so that we can work around all of these beds. Now here what I have going on is I'm going to put another shut off valve here. It's going to go in there and it's going to come right back up here for this raised bed. Now I totally forgot about the other raised bed that's going to go here, and this dirt is going to go in this bed. And so what we're going to have to do is cut a piece right here and then put a T going that way for this raised bed. So something that has to be taken care of, which I forgot. But as you can see here, all of this one have a shut off valve, every single one of them. So that's something that we wanted to do so that we're not watering beds that don't need to be watered. And so we did that in all of them. Now also towards the end right here, decided that she wanted to have grapevines here. We're gonna put one right here. I'm gonna take down that tree and plant it in the back, and then it's gonna have another one grapevine right here. I don't know the distance from here to that I'm gonna place it, but basically it's gonna be a trellis going that way, and then the grapes is gonna be basically a wall. The same, I'm gonna keep the same distance here as a walkway to go to the mailbox, and then put another raised trellis right here for the grapes. I did this here earlier today here because she also is going to do some more planting in here so that the vines have something to grab onto as they grow. But that's pretty much what I have done here so far as far as building of the raised beds, and also the watering system that we're going to put to water this bed so that we are not having to water them by hand with our hoses.